Hi, my name is Meral. I'm a digital nomad by day and sometimes by night. During my spare time, I like to discover new places and do awesome stuff. I have 3 travel buddies, my boyfriend Dima and our 2 dogs. Okay, so day 4, we are going to mountains, or like the upper part of Montenegro. One day we are on the right side and one day on the left side in Durmitors. I'm really looking forward to it because I haven't been in the mountains for a while. The dogs ready. Hi, people ready. To look for a bridge. An old bridge between the canyon, and it's here.
It's a little bit high.
Yeah. You don't want to go?
It's high.
I will go.
It's a bit high.
You're supposed to walk only on those lines because whatever is in between might bend, might break. Let's say that if you're afraid of heights, not recommended. I'm not, but it's still pretty scary. So I'm not sure about its safety, but it will do. After our stop, we started driving towards Biogradska Gora. It's a national park which is located in North Montenegro. It's one of the UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserves. This area is one of the last 3 large virgin rainforests in Europe. It has trees that are more than 500 years old, and of course it rains a lot. We visited the biggest lake and took the educational trail around the lake. It was around 3.3 km full of wonders. And oh, on the video you can see me trying to navigate, but I definitely got the location wrong. How do you like the hike?
This is amazing forest.
Like a fairy tale.
Fairy tale forest.
Yes.
Definitely. With the sun is peeking through the...
Yeah. Sunflowers. how to calculate trees. What circumference? So you use your hands and then you can come and measure on this board. Okay, so Dima hand stretch is 80, 80, 84. Nope. Did you go to swim, Susla?
Gerhardit ei ole, tervitage Gerhardit.
Hello, Cookie.
Inglise keeles tervitad teda või?
Oh, and after the swimming and chilling there, the other tourists came and showed that the place is full of those big bloodsuckers. So this is our Airbnb. You can see the view reflection. How do you like it? A living room, which is already messy because we're putting our things. Look at the view. Oh my god. And then there's a little chair, steps, and the second bed. This is pretty cool. So if you sleep here, you can wake up to this. But the funny part is it's really not so long. So Dima cannot sleep here. So we will probably, I can fit here, but we will probably sleep down on the couch. Our Airbnb owner was so welcoming, and he offered that he will do an off-road tour for us and take us to the top of his favorite mountain. And wow, the trip was unbelievably cool.
Yesterday.
Really 10 days ago.
Good.
Finished the evening on the top of the mountain, which had a view over the whole area. The owner told us many stories and took us to see many beautiful views. And the ride itself was such a fun off-road experience because most of the time there was no road. We are so thankful that the owner had such a big heart and willingness to take us around for so many hours. We drove back in complete darkness, ate dinner, laughed, and shoot some stars before the bed. On our way to dormitories, we visited Tara Canyon and the iconic Tara Bridge. When we arrived, we discovered that you can do a zip line over the 1,300 meters steep canyon. I think you already know what you're gonna see next. The fun part, there was a really strong wind, and people before us didn't make it to the other side and got stuck on the lines. So, did we get lucky?
There, stop early. You put legs down.
Yeah.
Guys, grab the rope, okay?
Uh-huh.
Because guys from the other side try and give you a rope, okay?
Yes.
You just put legs down and grab the rope.
Okay.
The guys is pulling you, okay?
Okay.
I hope so. You lucky. Maybe you come in from that. If you're not, you sit and wait for her, okay?
Yes, no problem. Thank you.
Страшно.
We arrived at the mountains. We arrived at the mountains. Probably too windy to go anywhere. So I'm gonna probably wake up like 4 or 5 a.m. Holy crap. And I wanna go on top of this.
For pillows.
Ah, yes. No worries.
5-10 minutes. Here we are. And
Thank you. We're not
I'll
gonna
bring it
sleep
to-
so soon, so it's okay.
So I will bring it to you, and I will give you a notebook password for it.
Okay, super, thanks. Bedroom 1. And bedroom 2. Hopefully tomorrow I can go there. Yay. Yes, to the top. Hello. But today we are going for a dinner. Here, a black square.
Squirrels. Yeah, regular.
No, postcard.
And I'm today talking very much. So now we're gonna explore. Hello.
After the dinner, we went home and celebrated my birthday. I am happy that I got to spend my birthday with my parents. I missed my little bro and friends and my grandparents, but it was still a really special day. We went to bed early because the alarm was set to 5 in the morning. We needed to start early to climb the mountain and be back down before the evening. Stay tuned, guys!